What's up guys, it's JamJack7070 and today we're going to be making an AI from scratch. This is very simple and today we're going to go over it. So let's get started. So first you're going to want to make some ground. I'm just going to make this black platform here. 0. And then we're going to go in the code and when clicked, go to X0, Y0. So then if I move it like over here, I'll go to the center of the screen. I'm just going to change it. You can mess around with the numbers if you don't like it. That's fine. And then I am just going to adjust my ground to make it look cooler. There. Okay, now we're going to go make the AI. So you're going to want to make a new sprite and call it AI. And you're going to want to call the level, ground level. And then in the AI, I'm just going to make a square. I'm going to pick square, I guess. There. Perfect. And make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. So, and hit the notification bell so you get a notification and a little bell in the corner. Oh, I'm not on YouTube, so I can't show you. And then there'll be a little notification and you can see if I've uploaded a video or not. Okay, so now in our AI, we're going to make a variable for this sprite only and call it y. And when fly clicked, we're going to want to make a block and call it reset. And then we're going to reset. And in the reset block, we're going to set y to 0 and go to x 0 and y 45. No, I'm going to do 30. There. Actually, I think 20 is good. Okay, you know what, maybe. I'm just going to do 0, 0. There. Okay. And now, we're going to do forever. We're going to make another block and call it y, and we're not going to hit run without script refresh. We're just going to do y. And then we're going to forever y, and in the y, we're going to change, we're going to do if else. No, in the y, we're actually just going to do change y by -1, and we're going to do if touching level, change y by y times -1. And then at the top of the script, we're going to change y by y. And then we should, oh, and we're going to set y to 0. Okay. Oh, you're going to want to put, so what you're going to want to do is, in the touching level, you're going to want to set y to 0 and change y, and then change y by y times -1. There. And next, we're going to make another square. I'm just gonna copy this and put it in there. And just change the color. And I'll make it green. And then when flag clicks, and we're gonna name this one player. And in this we're gonna wanna do, in the player we're gonna wanna do, when flag clicked, go to X. Now actually, we're gonna do a deploy. We're gonna make a deploy. We're gonna make a new block and call it spawn. Well, not deploy, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. We're gonna do spawn, and in the spawn we're gonna do repeat until Q space pressed. Actually, take away that spawn and we're gonna make a message. And we're gonna broadcast and wait. And we're gonna call the message spawn. And then when I receive spawn, I just drag this in here and wait. Repeat until space pressed. Go to the mouse, and then it goes to the mouse, and then we're going to broadcast spawn AI, and then we're going to go back in the AI, and we're going to do when flag clicked, hide, and we're going to remove the green flag from this, and instead we're going to do spawn AI. And then in the reset we're going to want to show. So, there. And then after, and then we're going to go back to our player, and we're going to do after the spawn, forever, if Q right arrow pressed, we're going to make a new variable for this sprite only, and we're going to call it X. And then another one called Y for this sprite only. And then when Q right arrow pressed, change X by 2. And when Q left arrow pressed, change X by -2. And we're going to change X by X and change Y by Y. And in this we're going to do forever, change Y by -1. And we're going to do if touching level set Y to 0 and change Y by Y. Oh, I did minus by Y times -1. And then after all this, we're going to set X to X times 0.9. I'm just going to put that right there. And then after, and we're going to make a new block and call it reset. And then in that we're going to do, set X to 0, set Y to 0. There. Oh, one problem though. We're also going to need if. Is that what we did in the AI? Yeah, change Y by Y. We're going to need if key up arrow pressed, set Y to 13. And there we have our platform scripts, or this platformer thing. And then, now we need our AI to move towards the player. So, in our AI, we're going to make a new block and call it X. And then we're going to do, after the Y, we're going to put in the X. This is what we're going to need here. The Y, and then we're going to drag in the X. And then in our X block, we're going to want to do point towards player, and if else, if direction is greater than 0, point in direction 90, else point in direction negative 90. And then another if else, if direction equals 90, change X by 5 or 3, else change X by negative 3. So this is our X script. There, now we can deploy him, and now our AI moves towards the player. And we can do a lot of other things with this guy. Hey, he can double jump. Oh, this guy can infinite jump. Oh. We're going to fix this in our player real quick. So instead of putting this in the forever loop, you're going to put it under the change Y by Y times negative 1 in the player. Okay, yeah, that jump is way too low. We're going to do set jump to 15 actually. That's better. Okay, now maybe like 18. Okay, that's a high jump, but okay. I'm just going to actually set this to 0.9. Okay, that's way more sliding. We'll do this actually like 0.7. Oh, now it doesn't even move. Well, it does, it's really slow. Okay. But I'm just testing right now. I'm going to do 0.8. I know 0.9. And I'm going to set this to like 16. And now, you can also make your player jump, or your AI jump, by, instead of when touching level set Y to 0, you can set to like 16, and then, okay. Yeah, you'll just need to swap these out. So. Okay. Why are you not deploying? Why are you not deploying? What if I reload? There we go. Okay. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. I will see you in another video. Bye!